Hey y'all, so today the hair I'm going to be using is from BetterLength. This is their Afro Kinky Coily 4B 4C 14 inches. So this is the hair straight out of the packaging. I co-washed it, added some leave-in conditioner, and this is what the hair looks like wet. So I'm just spraying the conditioner in, and then I'm also going to go ahead and add some mousse from Lotta Body. And a bundle of clip-ins, you do get 10 clip-ins for your whole head, and I let these dry overnight before installing them the next day. All right, so these are my fresh Microloc babies. I'm 4 months into my journey. So I went ahead and twisted down the back of my hair. And then in the front, I decided to go ahead and do some twisties with my locks because I thought that would look really cute. And we're going to see if we can push the limits and see if we can install some clip-ins with these Microlocs, okay? We're going to see. So instead of doing rubber bands, I decided to do clips. That way I'm not getting my hair like tangled up because these are new and I don't got no time to play around with them. Beauty in this is my hair is already parted, so I don't need to use a comb or anything, a rat tail comb to part because the parts are already there. So that's definitely what I love about my Microlocs. So I'm just going to go ahead and twist and clip and twist and clip. So y'all going to basically see me do that. This process didn't take me long at all. It took about 10 minutes, so that's just what I'm doing. And I like these little small clips. They don't hurt or anything. They're really easy to, take out of my head. So yeah, y'all. And I just twisted the side going up, kind of slanted. And then I literally did the same thing on the other side of my head. Now you can part out your twist however long or, short you would like, but this was cool for me. All right, you guys, so I just got a fresh retie, so I'm not going to be clipping the clip-ins down in my scalp. I started off with a clip-in that has 3 clips, and I'm literally clipping it on top of the hair that I twisted, not down in my scalp. You don't want to do that, especially with your locks being new or even old. Like, I'm not clipping these down into my scalp. And then I just went ahead with the next clip-in and did that above the next one, but I didn't start all the way down at my nape either because I do have locks on my nape. And then I like to move into the longer clip-in. So this clip-in has 5 clips on it. I always say these clip-ins are literally a puzzle, so just go ahead and fit them on your head how you can. But if you have locks, make sure you are being gentle, because you don't want to damage your locks, okay? So be gentle, especially with your locks being new. If you have like older locks, you good to go. But if yours are new babies, be careful. So I'm just going to clip the last few in the back, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply this longer one towards the top as well. I get to the front, that's when I'm applying some of the smaller ones, and y'all gonna see what I'm doing. Y'all know I'm gonna do my little flip over trick. So I'm gonna apply the other clip in on that side, and then I'm gonna take this one and I'm gonna clip them forward so that way they flip back and they're disguised. You see that? Okay. So that's what I'm gonna do with this longer one. I'm gonna clip it forward, then push it back. I decided to just go ahead and put it in because I could fit it. But yeah, just fit them however you can. I'm gonna add that these clip-ins are really high quality, super soft, and they blend with natural hair so well. Y'all see how my hair is sticking up at the top? I'm literally just gonna go ahead and use a closed bobby pin and pin that down, and it literally blends. Y'all see I didn't use no gel, no product, no nothing, like literally. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and swoop around my edges, and that's the only product I used on my hair outside of putting product on the clip-ins. Are laying so good because I put the mousse on the night before, but this is just how full and beautiful it looks from the back. Like, it turned out really cute with the twisties. Really love this looks. Really cute to switch it up. Okay, so I'm moving on to style number 2. I went ahead and sectioned off my hair in the back, and I'm just going to put them into a ponytail each section. And some of them are going to fall down because I do have some shorter pieces. But I'm going to take this clip in. I'm going to literally just wrap it around the base of my locks. And I'm only going to be using one clip in just so that it's not like heavy or weighing down on my hair. And I'm going to swirl that around, and I'm going to put a hair tie around it to go ahead and secure it into place. I'm literally going to do the same thing on the other side. And this is just how my two little puff buns turned out. Super cute. Really love them. I got some of my locks hanging down in the bag. Yes, okay. So we got two styles. Now on to the third one. So I'm just going to gather all my locks and put them into a ponytail. I'm just going to go ahead and wrap around my clip-in. I do clip it at the base or whatever, but I'm being really gentle, and then I clip the other end on top of the actual clip-in, and then I'm just going to repeat that until I get it to my desired thickness. You can do however many you want, but I'm not doing too many because I just don't want to weigh down my hair too much. I'm going to go ahead and take one of the smaller clip-ins and wrap it around the base so none of the tracks are showing. Then I'm going to take a bobby pin and kind of pin it towards the back. Fix my ponytail to my liking, and this is how it turned out. So you definitely can wear clip-ins with your Microlocs. Make sure you guys check out BetterLength. Everything about them will be in the description box below. The clip-ins I'm rocking will also be in the description box below as well. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.